Baba Biram Das was born at Lucknow Sahib I and is considered to be one of the greatest Udasi saints. His birth date is mentioned as 1636. However, the exact date of birth is not confirmed. His actual name was Ratan Das. He was son of Mata Gujri's paternal uncle Kakaji. Baba Biram Das had a very strong bond with Mata Gujri since they had spent their childhood together with each other. He was also the maternal uncle, Mamaji, of Guru Gobind Singh. From childhood, Baba Biram Das was immensely engrossed in his devotion towards God. Baba Biram Das went to Anandapur Sahib to meet Mata Gujri and Guru Gobind Singh. Baba Biram Das only used to wear a langot, and he came to meet Guru Gobind Singh in the langot. He used to wear only langot, but later, Babaji would stay with Nathang and them and engrossed themselves completely in the devotion of God. When they reached Guru Gobind Singh, Guruji looked and carefully towards Babaji and asked, "Who are you and from where have you came?" Guruji asked very humbly. Then Babaji said, "I am your maternal uncle and I have came from Lucknow Sahib." Upon hearing this, Guruji bowed Matha Tekna to Baba Biram Das and then Guruji took them inside their palace and Babaji stayed with Guru Gobind Singh and Mata Gujri for a few days and then Babaji went back to Lucknow Sahib. When Baba Biram Das left Anandapur Sahib, Mata Gujri asked Guru Gobind Singh, "Your maternal uncle has done lot of bhakti both in his current birth and even previous births and he came here with the hope that you would shower your grace on him. You even bowed your head in front of him but didn't shower your grace on him. Why so?" Guruji replied, "I bowed my head to my maternal uncle and even though he has lot of devotion for God but if one wants to seek blessings, he has to come as a servant not as maternal uncle." When Baba Biram Das came to know about why he was not given blessings Kirapad Rizesh by Guruji, he did intense tapa and entered into Samadhi. Ratan Das got engrossed so much into Samadhi that snakes made their Birmi house around Ratan Das ji. Babaji got famous in the region and started to be known as Birmi Wale Sadhu, and from that day onwards, he started to be known as Baba Biram Das. Baba Biram Das ji in Samadhi. Baba Biram Das ji in Samadhi. A lot of time passed and Baba Biram Das was still in Samadhi. One day, Guru Gobind Singh called Baba Biram Das to Hazur Sahib, Nanded by his spiritual powers. Babaji then went to Guru Gobind Singh. There, Guruji showered grace on Baba Biram Das on the bank of the river Godavari and Babaji became Brahmgyani and Guruji told Babaji to go back to Punjab and guide people towards God. Baba Biram Das, age at the time Guruji showered grace on him was 89. The last time Guru Gobind Singh Ji and Baba Biram Das met physically was 1706. It is said that Baba Biram Das left his mortal body on the day of Vaisakhi about near Subah ke 4 baje in the morning. This is the most popular and widely accepted view among local people and devotees and his age is said to be 321 saal. Some scholars don't agree with this as even Baba Sri Chand did not have such a long legendary lifespan. Baba Biram Das was a celibate and didn't father any children throughout his life.